Hello everybody, Steve from Steve TV here. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you remember the BMW, the 2009 that we got in that we're flipping, well, if you remember, she was a little on the grimy side when we first got it in. You can refer to that video up here somewhere. And so let's start with, as you see, the body looks very nice. And now as you go into the engine compartment, let's see, there is a difference. All right. So what went on here was we give it a good steam cleaning. There was no oil leaks. There was nothing like that. This motor is very tight. It's just kind of dusty. She needed a good bath. So that was done. We replaced the coil packs in it and the rear ABS wheel sensor and a new battery and oil change, and that's it. Nothing else. This car just needed a very good cleaning inside and out. Wasn't you know, to the point of wear and rips and such. It just needed a good cleaning, and this is what it got. So the car right now is very presentable. Come around this side, we check out the trunk. Now I'll show you the inside. So them are the coil packs that we changed out. Here's the ABS wheel sensor. We had a new emblem I put on. We're going to supply the new owner with some touch-up paint there. This car comes with a new battery, which they have underneath this panel here. There's an instruction manual for repairs. There's also a tool kit down inside of here, and various parts and tools that go with it. And under here is your storage. BMW doesn't provide a spare. They just don't. They figure you're going to call AAA, I guess. Or the tires just hold up well. Who knows? But no spare tire with this car. Or any BMW that at least I know of anyway. So now we come over here and let's take a look on this side first. Hi, I'm back. Okay, BMW 2009, 49,630 miles. I just can't believe it. What a nice little car. Back seat, BMW, they did nice things with these cars. So you're sitting back here, you're the passenger, you're on a long ride. Boom. You want to keep your drinks cold or your hot drinks in there. You get some work area for your laptop. It all folds up nice and neat. This back seat didn't do much except hold packages. Here you got a nice little storage compartment. You drop your cell phone and keys and whatnot in there while you're traveling. And then of course this for whatever. And an ashtray, something you're not going to see in any new car. This 14-year-old one still had them. So here's an ashtray for those who might want to smoke. Temperature control for the rear. Separate temperature control. Very nice BMW. And like I said, it's nowhere back here. This was basically no passengers the whole time. It was just packages. Rugs are nice, floors are nice, headline is nice. Really nice back here. Let's go to the front now. Alright, so we're in the front now. And again, not a lot of wear to speak of. There was really no wear. It was just, you know, never got cleaned. The car wasn't abused, but she wasn't the tidiest, let's just say. And it built up a little grime over the 14 years. We cleaned it up. It cleaned up really nice. Again, that ashtray with the cigarette lighter, that's like an antique thing now. Interesting. BMW has a nice layout here. I like the shifter. It's very comfortable. There's the key. I love these key fobs. Nice sound system. Drives nice tight sport coupe. Drives like a sport coupe. Got plenty of power. And again, this did come around really nice. And I think the flip is going to go well. I think I have a buyer coming in tomorrow who left a deposit, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll let you know how that goes, okay? Okay, hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like, and ring that bell so we can keep in touch. And let me know what you think about this BMW. Would you buy this car?